You've seen the ads, you've heard the hype. But can you really build a profitable dropshipping business with Spocket, or is it just another shiny app that promises the world and delivers, well, not much? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Spocket to answer that one crucial question: how legit is Spocket? Dropshipping is all about finding the right products and the right suppliers. It's a fantastic business model because it lets you start an online store with almost no upfront inventory costs. Your customer places an order, you buy it from a supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. Easy, right? But what happens when the product arrives broken, the shipping takes forever, or the supplier vanishes into thin air? That's where a platform like Spocket comes in. They promise to solve these headaches by providing vetted suppliers and quality products, mostly from the US and EU, and a platform that streamlines the whole process. But are those promises true? Let's break down the key areas. First up, the suppliers. Spocket's biggest selling point is its network of pre-vetted suppliers. This is a huge deal. A major problem with other platforms is that you spend countless hours trying to find a reliable supplier, only to be let down. Spocket claims to have done the hard work for you. They focus on suppliers in the US and Europe, which is a game changer for shipping times. Think 2 to 5 days instead of the typical 30 days or more from overseas. This fast shipping is a massive advantage in today's market and a huge plus for customer satisfaction. But, and this is a big but, while Spocket vets its suppliers, you still need to be smart. It's always a good practice to order a product sample yourself. This allows you to check the quality firsthand and ensure it meets your standards before you sell it to a customer. Next, let's talk about the product selection. Spocket offers a huge catalog of products across various niches. They've got everything from apparel and home decor to tech accessories and pet supplies. And here's a cool feature: they often offer products at a discount of 30 to 60% off retail price, which can lead to some healthy profit margins. They also have premium products that are top-selling and high quality, which can be a great way to build a brand and not just compete on price. The downside? Because Spocket is so popular, you might find other stores selling the same items. This means you need to be creative with your branding and marketing to stand out from the crowd. Now, the money question: is Spocket affordable? The platform works on a subscription model. They have several plans, ranging from a starter plan to an empire plan. While there is a free plan, it's really just for browse the catalog. You can't actually import products or sell anything. So, to run a real business, you'll need to pay a monthly fee. This is a significant difference from other dropshipping options where you might only pay for the product itself. Spocket's pricing can be a bit steep, especially for a complete beginner, but you do get a 14-day free trial to test it out. Just remember to cancel if you decide it's not for you. Finally, the features. Spocket integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it incredibly easy to sync products and automate orders. They also offer branded invoicing, which lets you add your logo and contact information to the packing slip. This is a small but powerful feature that helps you build a professional brand identity. And their customer support gets high marks from users, with 24/7 chat support. So, is Spocket legit? The overwhelming consensus from thousands of users and expert reviews is yes, it is. It's a reliable platform that provides a real solution to the common problems of dropshipping, particularly with its focus on fast shipping and quality products. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not without its costs, but it provides a solid foundation for a dropshipping business that you can be proud of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.